ito nga opisina para kareng Koreanong manyulong king kampanya kontra korupsyon ing pesinayan king Ciudad Angeles. Ay ni report ng Patricia Mamangon.
A delegation of Korean anti-corruption leaders and lawmakers joined local officials in Angeles City for the inauguration of the new office of the UN International Anti-Corruption Day Philippine Organizing Committee. The event, led by the Union of International Association, Korea's Anti-Corruption and Civil Rights Commission, and the Anti-Corruption Civil Movement General Federation, marked the formal assumption of Mr. Kang Jong-won as the new chairperson of the Philippine Organizing Committee.
We are focusing to make the peaceful world and then transparency to the world. We are trying to prevent the corruptions and then regulating the corrupting practice.
Korean officials, including Vice Chairman Oh In-chol of Chungcheongnam-do Provincial Council, emphasized the importance of global cooperation in combating corruption.
Corruption is a global issue that threatens democracy and the rule of law. I commend the efforts of Philippine civil society. I express my deep respect for the courage and efforts of the Philippine Civic Alliance Against Corruption.
Held at Remember Cafe along Phil-Am Friendship Highway, the ceremony was attended by Pampanga-based local government representatives, including Councilor Edu Pamintuan of Angeles City. According to the organization, the office will serve as a hub for grassroots coordination ahead of the UN International Anti-Corruption Day observance later this year.
Nakabantay po kami sa mga corrupt na people. Nandyan naman po kaming nakaantabay din po sa mga mabubuting mga politicians na which is na pwede kami pong tumulong sa kanila sa ano po ng ating city or local LG.
For GNN, this is Patricia Mamangon.